Hello everyone and welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on creating a stunning website from scratch using the GoHighLevel website builder. Whether you are a small business owner, a marketing agency, or just looking to build a personal brand, GoHighLevel offers a powerful and intuitive platform to bring your business to life. In the next minutes, we're going to go from completely blank slate to a fully functional website for a local yoga studio, complete with a class schedule, a lead capture form, and a mobile responsive design. Let's get started, guys. First of all, you need to have a GoHighLevel account. Keep in mind that this is actually not free. This costs a lot of money, but you can start a 14-day free trial, okay? I'm going to show you in a future tutorial how to set up this account. But yeah, for the time being, I just want you to go to the sites section in here. Now, you have a lot of different menus in here that you can use, but I want you to focus on the websites in here, the websites menu. Here you're gonna see all of your websites. As you can see, I don't have any right now, so I'm just gonna click on new website, okay? You can choose from a variety of templates, and this is exactly what we're gonna do because they're pretty good. But if not, you can create one from scratch, although I don't really recommend it because if you use a tool like this, it's because you wanna access the templates. Otherwise, you can just use another tool or create it, using code. But yeah, let's click on continue and use a template. Now there's many templates that you can use. Some of them are not going to be for free though, so you have to keep that in mind, guys. Okay, you can access all of the filters and you can, take them in by the different categories. I'm just going to look in the search bar for yoga. And I'm just going to click on this one because it looks pretty good. Let's click on continue. You can also add it as a favorite. By the way, the reason why I added this one is also because it already has like a scheduling section, okay? So, the less that I have to do, the less that I have to edit, the better, okay? So yeah, just make sure to use one template that has kind of a lot of functionalities that you want to use as well. Now it's easily going to take a few minutes to create, so when you think it's ready, just refresh the page and you should see it in here, okay? Now we're going to go to this menu, we're going to click on edit, amazing. And now the pages section is the most important one because guys, in here you're gonna add different pages that you want inside of your website, okay? As you can see, we have 3 right now. We have home, appointment, and thank you. For the time being, I'm gonna keep it like this, but we're probably gonna edit it later, okay? Let's go to the home and let's go to edit. Now this is basically the hero section of our website. Of course, this is pretty generic, so we have to modify it to make it our own. What are we gonna do? First thing is first, let's modify this logo, okay? Logo here. So we're just gonna click on this section, which is this navigation menu, navigation bar. And as you can see, we have different, we have classes, themes, schedule, and contact us. You can add more or you can modify the names to your liking. For example, instead of, schedule or, contact us, we can instead say, for example, messages, okay? If that's what you wanna do. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. And of course, you can modify the redirection page that is gonna take you after you click on here. Okay, but let's scroll down and let's find our logo. Here it is. We have our brand logo, which is this little image, this logo here image. I'm just gonna click in here and I'm gonna upload my own logo. For this, you can basically click on upload and that's gonna take you to your computer files. Or you can also connect to your Google Drive or to Canva, okay? Or even like use AI to create a new image. Now, similarly, guys, remember that you can go to styles and you can modify basically the alignment, okay? And more importantly, the background color, and the fonts. For the fonts, you have to go to general and then click on typography and you can modify the font size and the weight, which is gonna mean like bold and things like that, okay? Now, finding a good template is actually essential because that means that you don't have to modify a lot of the page. You can just, modify the details and you're going to be good with it. But still, you can modify and you can remove certain things. For example, let's say that I don't want this, icons in here. I can eliminate each of one individually, but something that I can do is I can try if they are embedded without a certain column, without a certain box, such as this, blue box in here. Let's try it. Amazing. And now you can basically delete this whole thing. Let's click on delete. And now we don't have it anymore. Of course, make sure to edit this text, this title in here. And more importantly, the background image is preferable to be your own. Okay, so just go to general again. And instead of, this image in here, again, edit it from your computer or from AI. Let's scroll down to the classes section. Of course, it's going to be depending on what you have to offer, the classes that you have to offer. Let's say that, instead of this, you have something like, I don't know, pro course. You can just edit the text just like this, okay? Just right on top. It's very simple. Now let's scroll down to the scheduling section. As you can see, again, this is going to be highly personal. But let's say that instead of 4 classes, such as this schedule has, you have 5. What are you going to do? It's very easy, guys. Just come to the whole section that you want to copy, because I want to add like one more class to this little section. So I'm just going to go to the biggest section, which in this case is this 3-column row, because it's this whole thing. And I'm going to click on this button here, clone. What this is going to do is this is going to put, the same thing, but just below, okay? And you can do the same thing with the subsections. But I don't recommend it if you want to do this, because then it's going to look like this. So it's going to look weird, okay? Let's undo the change. As you can see in here, that looks amazing. And now you can just modify the titles and the scheduling. Usually these templates come with a certain map and with a certain, details in here. Of course, you have to make sure to modify this, and especially the map, okay? So just click on the map in here and click on open search box. And now you're just gonna have to basically, scroll down and look where your, school or where your, saloon is. Whenever you're ready to save the details, you can just click in here, and that's gonna make sure that it's saved. And when you want to publish, you can click on the publish button, okay? This is gonna require you to have a domain, but you can purchase one from GoHighLevel by clicking on this button. Also, you can preview it from here, from this little button. Great. And it's gonna look like this, which is pretty good. If you want to see the mobile view, just click in here and you can see how it's gonna look, okay? And you can make adjustments from this in general. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. As you can see, most of it, just is about choosing the right template and making sure that that template has the right tools for you, so that you don't actually have to do a lot, and you can just edit like the details, the text, and things like that. And just to make sure that, you redirects to the right pages, okay? So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.